Hi everybody, let me introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Farhan Ali from the second grade of Vocational School Budi Darma Bogor. At this time, I will give you a tutorial how to remove background of picture on cell phone. You not only need one application background eraser. For the first time, open the application and then select the load of photo option. Then select the photo background you want to delete. Press done. There are two options. The first option you can delete automatically by AI. The second option you can delete it manually. To make it erasure, you can cause AI auto. Depend on requirement, sometimes by automatically photo background cannot delete is perfect. So I prefer the manual method. For the manual method, you can delete it by moving the red dot on your cell phone screen. You can adjust the size according to your needs. If the deletion process is complete, you can press the down button in the top right corner of your cell phone. And then press save button and finish button. I think enough tutorial from me today. Thank you for your attention.